In this video, let me show you how to fix the Zomato app not working. Welcome back everyone to this new tutorial video. The first thing that you can immediately do in these situations is try to remove the Zomato app from the recent app list and try to change your network connection. For example, if you're currently using a Wi-Fi network, you can try switching to your data and try to see if this fixes the issue. Also make sure that the location on your device is turned on, because without location, these kind of platforms do not work. So make sure you try these few things out first of all. If these things do not work for you, the second thing that you can try out is try to update the application. So head over to the Play Store or the App Store depending upon your device. Search for Zomato, and if you do see new updates available, make sure you tap on the update button. Updating applications helps to solve any sort of bugs which may be causing this issue. Now, even after doing all of these steps, you're still having issues with it. The last thing that you can try out is try to uninstall the app of Zomato from your device and again re-download it. So these are the few things that you can try out. I hope this guide video did help you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next video.